Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by loading your best footage and organizing it into meaningful bins so you can move fast. Once clips are in, create a project sequence matching your delivery specs, 24 or 30 FPS, and the final aspect ratio. Then do a rough trim. Cut out silence, camera flubs, and long pauses to reveal the strongest moments. Make sure to flag your top 3 sound bites for the campaign message. This lets you assemble a focused story, instead of scattering weak material across the edit. You now build the sequence from those flagged bites, arranging a clear hook, the core message, and a call to action so viewers move emotionally and logically. Once assembled, refine pacing with J and L cuts and lay B-roll or cutaways to cover visual jumps. This keeps motion steady and focus on the speaker. Make sure to clean audio by normalizing dialogue, removing clicks, and adding subtle room tone under cuts so the edit reads as one continuous, professional piece. You finish by color grading for consistency, correct exposure and white balance first, then apply a gentle stylized look to match campaign branding. Once visuals are locked, choose export presets, appropriate codec and bitrate, and create multiple deliverables sized for web, mobile, and social. After export, test playback on target devices. If audio drops or frames stutter, re-render with a lower bitrate or switch codecs. This troubleshooting step resolves most delivery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.